Good evening mga mahal. Tonight on Learn Tagalog, let's just do a review. These are the words or phrases that was posted from Learn Tagalog's Facebook wall from last week. So, start na tayo. Let's start. First, let's say left and right. Kaliwa at kanan. Kaliwa or left. Kaliwa at or and right. Kanan. Kanan. Kaliwa at kanan. And next, totoo ba? Totoo ba? Is it true? Is it true? Totoo ba? And we also have, are you sure? Or, sigurado ka ba? Sigurado ka ba? Sigurado ka ba? Sigurado ka ba? Minsan or sometimes. Minsan miss kita. Sometimes I miss you. Minsan miss kita. Or you can say, minsan hindi. Sometimes not. Minsan miss kita. Minsan hindi. Sometimes I miss you. Sometimes not. And last one, let's say grabe. 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 Grabe is used to express extremity in Tagalog. And one example is, for example, you were shopping or you were in a grocery store and you found something, you look at the price and you saw that it was very expensive and you wanna say, oh, this is so expensive, or the price is very high, and you can say, grabe ang mahal. Grabe ang mahal. And another one, and I always catch myself saying this while driving and the car in front of me is very slow, I'd say, ang bagal, grabe. Or, grabe, ang bagal. It's like, oh my goodness, you're so slow. Or, you're extremely slow. So, that's it. Good night. Until next time. Bye.